Welcome to Rolling Driftless. In this channel, we explore the back roads and scenic vistas across the Driftless region of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. We'll share the river routes as well as some of the video highlights from the rides. Today's ride was a short 86-mile loop in the Driftless region south of Eau Claire. The goal was to explore some of the named roads that cut over the ridgelines in the area southwest of Eleva. One highlight of the day was Ward and Hovey roads that cut between County H and Z going from north to south. The views were spectacular coming off that ridge. Just to the east of that was Wolf Road. This one was a little rough and better suited to the adventure bikes. I'll post a link to the river route in the comments section. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video and want to see more.